Welcome to our special segment on the top 5 online earning ideas. In today's digital age, the internet has provided us with countless opportunities to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these 5 ideas can help you tap into the world of online earning. Segment 1: Freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular way to make money online. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, there are numerous freelance platforms that connect clients with talented individuals like yourself. By offering your services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, you can showcase your expertise and secure projects from clients around the world. Segment 2: Online content creation. The rise of platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok has created a new wave of online content creators. If you have a passion for creating videos, sharing your knowledge, or entertaining others, you can turn your hobby into a lucrative online career. By consistently producing high-quality content, building a loyal audience, and monetizing your channel through ads, brand partnerships, or merchandise, you can generate a substantial income. As a YouTuber, many people have been able to turn their passion for travel into a successful online business. By sharing experiences and engaging with subscribers, they have not only been able to support themselves financially but also inspire others to explore the world. Segment 3: E-commerce and dropshipping. Another popular online earning idea is starting your own e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, it has become easier than ever to set up an online store and sell products. Additionally, the concept of dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping, you can focus on marketing and customer service. Segment 4: Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services can be a great way to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of topics. Coaching, on the other hand, involves providing one-on-one guidance and support to individuals looking to improve specific skills or achieve personal or professional goals. I'm a life coach, and through online coaching, I've been able to impact the lives of many individuals. The flexibility and convenience of conducting sessions online have not only allowed me to work with clients from different parts of the world but also expand my reach beyond what I thought was possible. Affiliate marketing. Lastly, affiliate marketing offers a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. By joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, you can earn a percentage of the sales generated through your unique affiliate links. This approach is particularly appealing for those with a strong online presence, such as bloggers, social media influencers, or website owners. As a blogger, people have found affiliate marketing to be a great source of passive income. By recommending products or services that I genuinely believe in, I not only help my audience make informed decisions but also earn a commission in the process. It's a win-win situation. Conclusion. Host. There you have it, our top 5 online earning ideas. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, online courses, or affiliate marketing, the internet provides endless possibilities to earn money online. Remember, success in any of these areas requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, go ahead, explore these options, and make your mark in the online world. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy earning!